So you know you need to back up your blog, but not sure how to do it? Keep watching for my dead easy way to back up your WordPress blog. For the best blog tech advice, be sure to hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video every Monday. If you've got no idea where to start when it comes to backing up your blog, by the end of this video, not only will you know how to do it, but you'll be able to schedule backups to run automatically as often as you want. This is how I back up my blogs, and it's how I recommend all my clients do it too, because it works. To back up my WordPress blogs, I use a plugin called Updraft Plus. So here I am on my WordPress dashboard. I'm now going to search and install Updraft Plus. This is my demo site, which is why I don't have it installed already. So I'm going to click install now. I'm going to activate it. And I'm now going to go to settings. So this is the free version of Updraft Plus. And you can see, it's pretty basic. So you've got your current status here, so you can back up right now if you want. You can use it to restore a backup, or you can clone or migrate. For the purposes of this video, we're just going to look at backing up. So it tells you the last time a backup was run and the last log message. Now, obviously, I've not run any backups yet, so there are no backup jobs or logs. If you click here, this tells you how many existing backups you've got. But again, I've not made any backups, so there's nothing here. And there's also a settings tab, which lets you choose where you want your backups to be saved once they've been run. So firstly, I'm going to set up where I want my backups to be stored. Generally, backups will be too big to be sent via email, unless you've got a really, really small site. I mean, because this is just a demo site and I've only got a couple of posts, I might get away with backing this up and sending the file via email. But right from the start, I'm going to use my Google Drive. You can use Dropbox, Amazon, you can do it via FTP, whatever you like. But for me, I like to have everything in my Google Drive because that's where I store documents for my blogs and loads of other things. So I've clicked on Google Drive and I'm going to save changes. And Updraft Plus has now asked me to authorize access to my Google Drive account, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to log in as the blog genie. Next. And just confirm that I want to allow Updraft Plus to access my Google account. And then click Complete Setup, where I can now click Backup Now, and my backup will be sent to my Google Drive. So that's what I'm going to do. I've clicked Backup Now. I want to include the database in the backup, any files, and I want to send it to remote storage. Click Backup Now. This should be quite a quick backup with it being my demo site. There really isn't much on here at the moment. And as you can see, there's this loading bar at the bottom that tells you how far your backup is taking. Oh, now you can see that my last backup job was run now, that it succeeded and is complete. So there we go. My blog has successfully backed up. But now what I want to do is make sure that my blog backs up regularly. So I'm going to click on Settings, and then here are the drop-down lists that give you the option of how often you want to schedule your backups for. I don't make many changes on this site, so I'm going to go for a weekly backup. And I want it to store the last 2 backups. So that will back up my files weekly. I also want to back up my database weekly. So I'm going to click here, and I also want that to retain 2 scheduled backups. So I'm now going to click Save Changes. That's all there is to it. This will now back up my files weekly and my database weekly for this blog. Comment below and tell me how often you've backed up in the last 3 months. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to make sure your blog backs up automatically. But how often should you back up? I've written a whole blog post on why and how often you should back up your blog. Check out the link below. If you like this video, please let me know by liking, subscribe and share it with all your fellow bloggers. And comment below with helpful if this video helped you.